Good day, guys. My name is Scott. Today I'm going to be taking the basics of HTML. First, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is basically the text written for certain documents to be displayed on a web page. This is usually backed up using the Cascade style sheet, popularly known as CSS. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you the basics, the introduction. First, for this, you're going to be needing any IDE or any text editor could do. For me, I'm going to be using VS Code. If you're on a Windows computer, simply head over to google.com and type vscode.exe. Once you do that, get over to the website. The first link you see there is the one you usually click. Now, you see the list provided below here. They have the option for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. That's on a Windows computer, which I'm using currently. For those of you using a Linux distribution, you also have the option to install it for Debian or Red Hat. Those for Mac, you can also install here. Now, I won't be installing this because I've already downloaded and installed on my computer. Once you have that done, head over to VS Code. You should see a welcome screen. I won't be using that. Usually HTML files end with .html. I will be creating a new file here, saving it as .html. You can put that in any folder you like in your computer. I will be putting mine in my USB flash drive. Let's see. I'm going to be creating a new folder here. Sorry. HTML tutorial. Okay. Let's see. Now, when building a website, the first thing you're supposed to do is make sure your home page, which is the first page of your website, should be an index.html file. It doesn't really matter, but most times when you are hosting your files, they need to be index.html. Example like Firebase and others. They usually recognize index as the name of the primary home page. And once that is done, hit enter, and if you notice here, right, you see the icon has somehow suddenly changed. Let's see. To make this much better, click on that open folder there, and okay, now click on that open folder, and you see, hit enter. Now, once that is done, open the index.html file again. I could simply start typing HTML and start doing all these stupid meta tags and so on, but it's somehow stressful. For a beginner, all you need to do is come here and click on Emmet abbreviation. I think if I can spell that properly, abbreviation, I think so. Okay, let's just write HTML as that. Okay, somehow I can't find the name listed on the extension. Let me see. Okay, I think if I do like this, okay, MS abbreviation. I think this is supposed to come pre-installed for VS Code. I don't know about yours, but if it isn't, you could download it from the extension here. It should be MS abbreviation. I'm very sure. Yes, MS abbreviation, but this is not showing. That means it's already pre-installed already. So we could forget that right now. Now the shortcut I just did, so do that on your Windows computer. or your Mac computer, whichever you are using, hold the shift button, and if you see on your number keys, they're usually the uppercase characters, the one written on top. The one written on top. You're supposed to hold shift and hit the number 1. You see that special character written there, you hit enter and it automatically writes out the format for you. HTML5 is much advanced. Now, when you are doing something like this, you have various parts of the HTML document. We have the header, we have the title, we have the body tag, and the HTML tag itself. Now, this HTML tells us the language is in English. This right here is a meta tag. I will explain that later on when we are on Bootstrap. Well, all you need to know about that is it's telling you the width and the height of the device you are using. So we don't want our width to maybe be exceeding the device width or being smaller than the device width. If you check now, you see it's written here width equals device width. So HTML will recognize that meta tag and automatically take 100% full width and height of the device you are using to preview. Now that's that for introduction into HTML. See you in our next course.